Hello friends, this is Atri Patashala. Welcome to Daily Maths for Fun series. Can you solve this viral math puzzle? 7 police brought some corona suspects from Bangalore into a temporary place for quarantining. As per the instructions from higher authorities, they need to be equally divided into different groups and led to the safe places. When two police started dividing the suspects into two equal groups, one suspect remained. Similarly, when three police tried dividing the suspects into three equal groups, one suspect remained. This went on with 4, 5 and 6 police trying to divide into corresponding number of groups. When finally 7 police tried to divide, all suspects got equally divided. Can you now say how many corona suspects in total were brought from Bangalore? I will give you 15 seconds of time. Can you come up with the answer? Your time starts now. Now let's solve this. This can be easily solved by the concept of LCM, which we learned in the primary school. Least common multiple or LCM of two numbers is the smallest number that they both divide. For example, when we see the multiples of both 3 and 4, we see 12 as the least common multiple. To solve this puzzle, we need a number that is a multiple of 7 but also will give a remainder of 1 when divided by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The least common multiple of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is 60. So we need a multiple of 7 which is 1 greater than a multiple of 60. Here you can see 301 is the multiple of 7 and also 1 greater than multiple of 60. So, total corona suspects brought from Bangalore are 301. For more such interesting math fun puzzles, please subscribe Atri Patashala channel. Thank you friends.